the energy that you surround yourself with will affect your frequency. What you're watching on TV, what you're eating, what you're drinking, the conversations you're having. If you're around people who are toxic, or like to gossip, or who like to, just hang out in conversations that don't feel peaceful, that don't feel loving, right? This is affecting your frequency. Mood altering substances will bring down your frequency. Our awareness can only really be truly clear if we're managing our energy in healthy ways. Okay, so you already know, as you're listening to this conversation, where you might not be fully, and of course, you don't have to be perfect, but we want to be as intentional as we can be around the choices that we're making to nourish ourselves, the environments that we're creating for ourselves, how we're treating our bodies, how we're treating our minds, and what we are taking in. Okay, so right action allows me to make the choices, take the actions, put the structures in place that will create the ideal environment for me to thrive. Okay.